What's up fam, myself CaityB back in the building with yet another reaction video with Mama B, and we're going to be doing a face-off today. So today's face-off, I'm buffed out. Okay, so we're going to be reacting to FLAVA 691 BAM by any means, and we're also going to be reacting to Skip Stop the Shine. So Skip Stop the Shine has been requested for quite a long time, so sorry to those that have been waiting for a long time, but finally getting to it now. Got some Doritos. Let's go. Must be professional. Oh man. Looks Mexican or something. Differently.
My baby mamas, I'ma make it work. I started from the bottom, get it out the dirt. Growing up barefoot, didn't have a shirt. Now 5 I got me, all they do is learn. Gotta get it by any means necessary. 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 I started off an ounce, work my way up. Gotta stack this paper and get my bread up. Trap phone going up, I gotta re-up. Bad little mama want it, I'ma beat it up. Married to the streets, I will never leave her. Talking stories with the plug, he a killer. 808 made me, but I'm from Jew State. You can always get rich, it's never too late.
American. 808. I just said 808.
Is that someone?
No, it's America. It's a state in America. Oh. I don't know what the state is, but that's their postal code. Area code.
Looks American.
On the better, all gas, no brakes. My brothers keep it real, we don't mess with the fakes. On the block all night, I don't take breaks. Remember eating canned goods, now we eating steaks. I gotta say I love you mama, you keep it real. It was hard being broke, I know how it feels. We gon' make it out the struggle so that we can chill. This hustle don't stop till I hit a mill.
Struggle's real.
By any means.
Don't stop till we hit a mill.
I told my baby mamas I'ma make it work. I started from the bottom, get it out the dirt. Growing up barefoot, didn't have a shirt. Now 5 I got me, all they do is learn. Gotta get it by any means necessary. 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 Yes, I told my mama I'ma make it rich. Used to sell a lot of drugs, my youngin' hitting licks. Got fake friends, faker that counterfeits. I know some real niggas who can take the risk. I'm all here in the streets, mama pray for me. Hating ass niggas wish the devil me. You don't want no smoke, got the banana clip. When I die, motherfuckers gon' remember me. I get it by any means necessary. I put in work like a secretary. I keep guns like a military. On the block throwing balls like a Hail Mary. I'm out here getting money, I'm a hustler, baby. Socializing with the bitches, I'm a player, baby. I play like a pro, like a Tom Brady. I wanna be successful, so I'm never lazy. I told my baby mamas I'ma make it work. I started from the bottom, get it out the dirt. Growing up barefoot, didn't have a shirt. Now 5 I got me, all they do is learn. Gotta get it by any means necessary. Gotta get it by any means necessary. Gotta get it by any means necessary. Gotta get it by any means necessary.
Oh, I like that.
Short. Very nice.
I like the message, man. Alright fam, so we're going to be reacting to Skip Stop the Shine. Pretty keen to see how this is. So this has been requested quite a lot. Let's go.
Shout out EC on this one.
Oh no.
No C.
Oh, qualities, but...
QP.
It's that film effect.
Oh, this is pretty bad, this effect right here. Oh, I like this vibe right now.
Turn that motherfucker
up. Try to stop the shine, now we back. Try to stop the shine, now we back. Try to stop the shine, now we back. Don't see him mic up. Go show him where it's at. shine, now we back.
Wearing some
Try to stop the
expensive
shine,
stuff.
now we back. Try to stop the shine, now we back. Was out on the low key, now we back up on the map. Angry East back in this bitch, savage flow, I had a switch. Get no other clip, we still steady rolling out the strip. I've been on the low, serving fiends, plotting on the brick. Shout out to the plug, put me on it, now we counting chips. Switch it up, I remember hard days at the trap though. Serving fish with rock bottles, it was mad though.
Did you get it? It was a hard days in the trap. Or trap house. And
I like how they're
Just
switching
to
it
talk
up.
too many noodles into Nando's. You never understand though. Fuck it up. Tell him what's cracking. Beat the beat up with a passion. Nigga was sapping. I am my fatal attraction. Don't need your reaction. I've been on the media flashing. Bringing the bag. Tell him to splash it. Let's go. Try to stop the shine, now we back. Try to stop the shine, now we back. Try to stop the shine, now we back. No see him mic up. Go show him where it's at.
It's gonna be a movie? Bro. Really professional with the clip. Oh, he's wearing some stomach gear. Getting goosebumps now.
what does it mean when you tip your alcohol on the ground?
Yeah, does it mean something?
I ain't doing that, but then when you're tipping it on the ground.
Does it mean you made it or something? Like. Oh, not the drag race, man. I've always wanted to be part of these. It feels like when you're going to play Need for Speed and it has that, you know, when you play Need for Speed and that beginning just has where they always like that
Build up.
that build up and they're gonna race or something. If you've played Need for Speed, I think you'll know what I'm talking about. Like the intro. Oh.
Try to stop the shine, now we back. Try to stop the shine, now we back. Try to stop the shine, now we back. Was out on the low key, now we back up on the map. Every hustle counts. What up, EAC? Let's run it up. This one's for the team, not the ones between us trying to cut. Let's secure the bag, focused on the cream. You can't intervene. Started off with
Cash
team.
rules
Shout out
everything
Mr.
around
C.
me.
Let's get you switch it up. If you got the shine, you gon' get a taste. This one's for my day ones. Yeah, shout out to the Yanks. Grinding out a 305 on the block. You know the way. This one's for the hood. Sorry for the way. Yeah. I taught all my bros. Rack it up, break it down. Back it up, bring it up. Spin it up, spin it up, spin it up, spin it up. Fuck it up. Let's go. Try to stop the shine, now we back. Try to stop the shine, now we back. Try to stop the shine,
Looks
now
like
we
Tiger.
back. Don't see him mic up. Go show him where it's at. Try to stop the shine, now we back. Try to stop the shine, now we back. Try to stop the shine, now we back. Was out on the low key, now we back up on the map.
Bro, this is a vibe, man. Bro.
It's good to see Ngāti Otara Park, eh? Next to Hillary College.
It's like behind Hillary College, sort of.
That park is always packed when it comes to Kilikiki.
This clip is so different. Oh,
It's like almost a suspense.
yeah.
A thriller suspense.
The singing in that sort of reminds me of like American trap or something, like yeah, I don't, like Migos. Oh, I don't know what the names of like those singers are. Oh, bro, I love it.
O me na whalongolongo e asula.
What do you mean?
E ana o ngai whalongolongo i pesi.
Oh, until now and then, like some of my friends play. Like there's a reference that was like rack it up, I'm gonna, like, that's the song my friends always played at school, that's how I knew it, so it was quite nice hearing that. I felt cool knowing something. Bro, I can't explain how good the song was.
You really liked it?
It's so different, like it seems so good for like a song.
It's different for me. For me, it's very different. Like, it's like it's suspense thriller.
I'm trying to think of a song that it's similar to.
It's. I don't think it's anything I've seen apart from maybe 1/4, one of the 1/4 tracks.
They're really different. They're really.
I'm guessing this is like a UK
American, like it sort of reminds me of like Tiger or something. Oh. Bro, that's like American type stuff right there, like good top dog stuff, man.
I'll give it an 8. I'll give Stop the Shine an 8 because it kept me in suspense. Like, you see similarities on it, like with the flare thingy, the dirt bikes. Like, we saw that when we went back home. We saw the dirt bikes and went,
mind you, that was around
before
before we left, eh?
But not as much now. Look, it's
Keep
almost
you on
like a
my
keep you on
toes.
your keep you on your toes thing. Stop trying to read me.
I give it a 10. What the hell? Mom, do you know how good this is? Like, I'm not into this type of music, but seeing the type of music that's been booming these days and then seeing these guys come out with something like this, if this is their first song, then I don't know, man. That was so good. Bro, I feel like I'm so proud. Oh my. It is their first song too, and then...
Come up.
Bro, guys, this song is so good. Like, if you know what I mean, you know what I mean, like, you know?
If you know what I mean, you know what I mean, like, you know?
I like it. It's because it was different.
Yeah, they're different. That's the thing. They really...
It's almost like watching a thriller, suspense thing. Like you go.
I like how good Americans are with their clips. This clip, the effects, the quality, like different types of effects. It's not anything that I've seen in other poly clips, like 1/4 and that.
So the guy who directed and produced, really good. Big ups to you, man.
Bro. And then they switched it up with the way they rapped and were singing. I liked it. He didn't keep it like dead throughout the whole
boring.
thing.
Yeah.
And then the little ad-libs in the back. Oh, man.
So what do you think of FLAVA 691?
Starting off the quality, just seeing that professional thing, I knew the quality of the video and stuff was going to be good. Awesome video. I was a bit contemplating whether he was poly, but you see it. Not bad. I like the lyrics a lot. Lyrics stating facts, talking about struggle, coming up from when he had no shoes, no shirt, or no clothes and stuff like that. You know, just struggle with his mom and stuff like that. I like it. He's talking about struggles. I like that I was able to hear a lot of what he was saying.
Okay, so I just typed it up. It's Micronesian.
Oh, he's Micronesian. Oh, wow.
Nice.
Not bad.
691. Marshall Islands.
Marshall Islands, yeah.
Very nice.
Not bad. I like the lyrics. The quality seems like a Chris Brown type of really professional. I like that.
Like he's got the family in there, but he's speaking truth.
Facts.
Relatable to him. Relatable to all of us.
Yeah.
Been through that struggle. Yeah. Cost of living now is just expensive.
Shot through the sky, fam. I give it an 8. I give it an 8, fam.
Yeah, I give it an 8 too. I give it an 8.
Very good.
Like and follow their idea films.
Definitely a go-to for song clips. Idea films.
So it's pretty much self-explanatory. His lyrics. He's talking about his struggles growing up and his goals, what he's wanting to achieve for his mum,
and
his family.
Get it. Whatever he has to do, saying by the title, by any means.
Yeah, that mindset will get you places.
He said, not lazy, he's always working. I'll have the information to both songs down in my description box below, fam, for you guys to check out. Make sure you add it to your playlist. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please, please, please. Much love, fam. Stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Dad.